How to install the IMO app on iPhone. Just download the IMO app. This guide shows you how to install it on your iPhone so you can get started with your account. Once you tap on the Get button in the App Store, your iPhone will automatically start the installation process. You don't have to do anything else. The app icon will appear on the home screen and a small circle will show the download and installation progress. Once the installation is complete, the app icon will be ready to open. Tap on the icon to launch the app. The first time you open it, IMO will ask for certain permissions, such as access to your contacts. You can choose to allow or deny these. A successful installation means the app is ready for you to create an account or log in. It's an essential first step to start making calls and sending messages to your friends and family. So make sure you've installed it properly before moving on. You now know how to install the IMO app. Get ready to start chatting. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.